let's do another parasol. Time for another dose of unboxings. French pharmacy unboxings. We're gonna do a quick French pharmacy haul. Every time I go, I buy a bunch of stuff, and I'm gonna show you what I got this time because you guys like the other ones. And maybe I'll do a skincare routine too. Okay, so got a bunch of stuff. I spent like $400, $500 at the French pharmacy. So let's go through it. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm a fashion freak, a luxury lover, a shopaholic, and today we're going to quick French pharmacy skincare haul. All this goodies that I got in Paris from my last trip before I go on my next trip. So if that's new you're interested in, please stick around. Please smash that like button. Please consider subscribing and keep on watching. Okay, I have an essay in the French pharmacy who I love. I go to her every single time. Amanda, shout out, love you. And I just literally take whatever she says. So we're just gonna go through all these things that I got. It's a lot of Caudalie, Nuxe, and Cible Skin. It's supposed to be really good. This serum was like 160 bucks, so I feel like it's like the creme de la creme. So we're gonna try this soon and see how it feels. Anti-rides, anti-lifting, anti-wrinkling for all skin types, okay? Then we got some sunscreen from Nuxe. Yay! Love sunscreen, need sunscreen, always wear sunscreen. My lady, Amanda, always gives me samples, so she gave me a face mask sample and a illuminating mask sample of Cible. Thank you. And she also gave me some other samples, I think like eye masks. Serum. We got some dark spot serum from Caudalie, which I love because I got the dark spots. We got this other fancy cream from Caudalie, which was like 70 bucks. I don't know how much other things were, but these were the heavier hitters. Rich cream and anti-aging dark spot skin barrier. Caudalie by Harvard. Ooh, Caudalie by Harvard. Okay, then another Caudalie intensive hydration. Hyaluronic grape water shea butter. Vichy more sunscreen, 3-in-1. Vichy more sunscreen. Caudalie detox mask. Love this little munchkin. Cible ice cream. Cible more those thingies. Anti-wrinkle spot preventers from this company. Giant Caudalie body lotion. Hyaluronic nourishing body lotion. Caudalie sunscreen sticks. Always have to have two. Double the pleasure, double the fun. Twice as fast, half the time. These are gonna be great. More samples from Nuxe. And samples from Vichy. Okay, that's everything. Yay! That was so fun and easy. Did we like that? I did. Okay, that's all I got. I will do skincare regime, but I really am excited to try this and this. These are my most excited to tries. So we're gonna try them maybe together, maybe tonight. This one and this one. Okay, yay! Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, please consider subscribing. Please smash the like button. Please share with your friends and family. If you hate to share with anyone next. I know it's valuable and I precious appreciate you spending your time here with me. I'll see you in the next one, baby.